This here is just scraped. We just scraped the outer edges,
So great.
sponge troweled it, and no added material. I mean, if with everyone else, when they're printing and they're stopping here and then here and here, days and days and days to get to 8 feet. 1,000 square foot home, you're talking $18,000 to stucco and plaster the outside and the inside. That's why most of them have stopped doing interior walls. It's so damn expensive, and I'm like, guys, if it takes us a month to get up there, I could have framed this thing in 2 days with 3 guys, inside and out, and you're making everybody wait a month before you actually go in and start framing the interior walls? What the hell are we doing?
And it still looks like shit. After that month.
I apologize, but everything I say is going to be stuff you've seen on videos already. So,
Oh no, that's fine.
yeah. Okay, same thing.
Ah, look at these. This is it's so good to see it.
This shows if I do stucco on the outside, I don't need mesh. I don't have to do 3 coats. That's 1 coat on top of.
Just right on it.
Yeah. But you don't want to do that. You just, while you're printing, scrape those walls, sponge trowel them, get a nice sandy finish.